What's up, everybody? If you want to see this crazy taper, stay tuned. So the first thing you want to start off with is combing the canvas, kind of just getting everything prepared for the look and then for the transition. So I'm going no guard, just whole haircut. So stay tuned. It's finna be a crazy transformation. So hit that like button, comment, subscribe right now. And now we finna go with the grain, like you see now, taking down that bulk, just getting everything prepared for that taper. So the first thing we're gonna start off with, after when we take all of this bow down, is that ball line, and that ball line is going to start off that whole taper look. And I'm going for like a high taper, maybe a mid taper look at the same time, but I am going to stretch this whole taper so you can see the whole blend. So now we're going to lever open, going up about a full inch, and this full inch is going to, like I said, give that stretch look that we're looking for, instead of my taper and that blend being so tight and so compact together. So this is just giving me, room to really blend and kind of just freestyle a little bit more. And now we're going to lever close on my babless, the other babless I use, because these ones are more zero gap, so I could take out that zero line way easier and quicker, you feel me? So I could like really blend and detail that line out of there and kind of make that next transition easy. So now I'm going lever open, and this time I'm finna just flick, instead of like setting a harsh guideline with my clipper flat to the skin. I'm gonna have now I have my clipper tilt more, and I'm just deboking and kind of like blending at the same time. And I'm raking, as you can see here, because I don't have a comb, because I'm recording with my left hand and cutting hair with my right hand. So I had to use the raking method to kind of to make it to bring the hair all together like a comb. But I had to just rake it in. Y'all understand what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm just deboking now, using the corner of my blend, doing lever play, kind of just trying to take out that line much as possible, taking out them dark spots, taking my time, looking away from my blend and then looking back at the blend so I could spot the unspotting in my blend, you feel me? So I could just make that transition more blurry. And then I'm going lever close now to kind of just take out that bottom line much as possible, because I seen a little ick in that taper at the bottom. I call it ick because them lines be just so icky when they just sit there, you feel me? But yeah, as you can see here, I'm just using the corner of that blade, trying to attack that dark spots right there, trying to lighten it up so that transition could come and make it look all crispy, you feel me? But comment, man, let me know how you feeling today, because this taper made me feel real good, and I couldn't wait to share with y'all, my fan base, and just out there to the world for my artwork, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, as you can see, that taper coming together. I'm just trying to do best as I can, without dropping the phone and the clippers at the same time, trying to focus. To be honest, I ain't know where to look, y'all. I'm gonna be a bean. Like, I didn't know where to look. Do I look through the phone? Do I look at the like in person? But when I look in person, the phone get the drifting away because my hand get the so I don't know, my eyes was everywhere. But I did my best for y'all. Hopefully y'all like this freestyle blend I'm giving y'all, because this thing was low-key crazy, no cap. But yeah, as you can see, that blurriness is there. You need some glasses because it's hurting, ain't it? The eyes, it's hurting the eyes, you feel me? But nah, yeah, I'm just taking my time, just freestyling and having fun with this haircut, man, because I don't know, I just felt good today, and I felt like my haircuts all today came out pretty good. So that's a plus. That's a good thing to go home to and just relax to. You don't want to go home and be like, dang, I had broke lining cricket or something. I hate that type of feeling, you feel me? I be wanting to call the clients back like, bro, come back in the shot, let me fix that, you feel me? But no, man, muscle memory is key. The more you do it, the more easier it be, because it's just second nature, you feel me? So right now, I'm just trying to get that extra detail in right now. Just try to make it just a little picture perfect. I know I ain't perfect, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do. And always worry about that blend kind of behind the ear too, because sometimes when you do the lineup behind the ear, it kind of like it looks a little too bulky. So if you kind of like take down the back behind the ear, like trim it down a little bit within that taper, it's gonna all blend in together. Like I'm gonna show y'all at the end exactly what I'm talking about, you feel me? But yeah, y'all see what we doing, man. Shout out Hustle Dreams Production for this beat, man. We finna do something crazy with this beat stuff, man, the intro. So stay tuned, hit him up if you want to get some beats in, you feel me? But the back taper, I do the same exact thing, like when I do the side tapers, the back, I replicated, you feel me, the same exact steps. You gotta have the same steps. You gotta have a system in cutting hair and anything you do, really, because like I said before, it just becomes second nature to you. And that's the only way your haircut is gonna come out looking like your way, the way you cut. You feel me? You always gotta make sure you cut the way you do. So like I said, I go ball line first, and now I'm going lever open about a full inch. As you can see, I don't want to go too big on the lever open because I still want to blend. So I still want to just kind of keep it a little under a full inch. But right now I'm going lever and close with my other babless clipper, and I'm just taking out that bottom line that I created with the trimmer and the lever open. And then I'm gonna just kind of play with that lever to kind of get out that bottom line a little bit more, so it'd be the way more smoother transition when I get to debulking and really trying to bring all that bulk in together within that taper. Hey, I'm trying my best to explain this taper for y'all, man. It's been a minute since I did a full tutorial, but hey, if y'all liking it so far, hit that like button, comment, and then subscribe if you're new. But turn your post notifications on, because I'm finna post way more tutorials, and we finna get litty on this internet with my haircuts. You heard me? But I'm raking right now because I don't have a comb, so I can't comb everything down. So I gotta use the raking technique just to kind of bring everything together so I could finish blending and figure out what I need to cut and trim and debulk and stuff like that. But the lighting on this camera was tweaking, bro. I'm like, bro, what is wrong with the camera lighting? But it still could see the blend, so that's a kind of a plus too. It ain't too blurry where you can't really see the taper. But yeah, I'm just taking my time, taking out that dark spot, lever playing that clipper so I could hit them in between spots that I'm missing. And like now, just lever open and kind of just flicking at that last that last part to debulk, and I'm just finishing up that whole back taper. And let me know in the comment section too if you like dreads, and what color would you get your dreads if you did have dreads, or let me know if you had dreads, would you just keep it regular. But right now I'm just finna get to that edge up. This where all the gems come in at, you feel me, the diamonds. But I'm cleaning out the edge up, drying out the hair so it could be easier, crispy edge up, But as you can see, I start from the middle and I'm working my way to the left. Then eventually I'm gonna go work my way to the right. But you see, I'm taking very little hair off, just giving it a professional pushback, not taking a lot of hair off, just taking a little bit just to give it that line. I am going to spray the hairline down with a nice little enhancement to give it that extra pop, you feel me? But right now I'm just hitting with the handlebars, just taking my time, as you can see, just attacking that edge up, taking control of it, letting it know it's mine, letting it know that I'm the one with the clippers in the hand, LOL. But no, yeah, I'm attacking that right side now. And of course, the lineup not going to come out crispy the first time you do it. The first time, I put the clippers to the edge up is most likely like a rough sketch, just to kind of see where I need to work at to see what it's due. But y'all see what time it is. It's the Funnyant transformation. Anthony Houston, subscribe to the channel, man. We lit. Share this video. Let me know what you think about this whole haircut. Let me know what you think about the way I cut hair. Let me know what you think about the whole production, man. We here. Yeah, this is lit. High taper, just high mid taper, you feel me? Like I said, you see that blend. You see how I blended behind the ear a little bit to give it that extra pop. And then just the art of it is beautiful. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the haircut in the comment section. Y'all could be mean a little bit if y'all need to. Criticize me a lot, but if it ain't no criticize, don't say nothing bad, you feel me? But y'all see, I ain't using enhancements too much. It's not too heavy. It blended in with the hair. I took control of the haircut and just had fun with it. Sure.
Yep, go ahead, subscribe to him. Y'all already know. He blessing y'all.
Let's get to it.